Are you looking for the best car interior LED lights that will completely transform your driving experience? Well, today we're reviewing the Govee Car LED Lights, one of Amazon's best-selling and most affordable smart LED light kits. With over 78,000 reviews and a Prime member price of just $18.99, this lighting kit has taken the market by storm. But the real question is, are they actually worth it? Let's find out. These Govee LED strip lights for cars come with app control, DIY mode, RGB lighting, and music sync features. It's a universal fit, so whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or even a truck, installation is quick and simple. The two-line design makes sure you won't have messy wires showing, and it comes with adhesive backing, clips, and zip ties for a clean setup. White heavy checkmark creative DIY mode, you get 16 million colors and endless customization options directly from the Govee Home app. White heavy checkmark dynamic music mode, built-in mic syncs the lights to your music, perfect for late-night drives or road trips. White heavy checkmark smart app control, adjust colors, brightness, and modes with just one tap on your phone. White heavy checkmark easy installation, clean the surface, stick the strips, and you're ready to go. No special tools required. White heavy checkmark Amazon's choice, with thousands of satisfied buyers every month, this product is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. Pros. Affordable price under $20, Prime members even get extra savings. Bright, colorful, and highly customizable. Music sync feature adds a fun vibe. Easy to install and fits any car. Cons. Not waterproof, so only for interior use. Adhesive can lose stickiness if repositioned too often. Works on Bluetooth only, no Wi-Fi support. Section 4, competitor and newer model mention 340 to 420. If you want even more advanced features, there's also a newer RGBIC version from Govee with 30 scene modes and 4 music modes for around $29.69. But honestly, if you're just getting started, the classic version at $18.99 gives you amazing value for the price. So, if you want to upgrade your car's interior and add some serious style, the Govee Car LED lights are definitely worth it. I've dropped the Amazon link down in the description, make sure to check it out while it's still at this exclusive Prime price. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Amazon product reviews and the best car accessories.